Let's go program a Dodge Journey 3-button fob. We know who the quarterback is going to be, and here is the patient. Let's plug in the 608. Maybe. Where are you? Where are you? There you are. So on some of these, I like to put in the new key so I can find the security light on the dash. There it is, right there. Security light. Let's take that one out and let's put the working one in. Turn the ignition, don't start it. Here we go, the 608. We're just gonna start typing in what it is. We know it's a Dodge Journey. Let's auto select. Ignition is on. Read the VIN. I'm not gonna let you see that part. The VIN is red. Should verify the vehicle here. It does, okay, so here we go. Fob keyless entry, fob key slot. So we have a key slot. I've never seen that screen. Seen that screen before, so let's hit OK. Ignition is on, engine is off. Yep. Let's do a hop function. We're just gonna add a fob. All keys lost, nope. Key learning, yes. Let's go ahead and start it. Yep, it's going to erase all the keys. And now we are running. 4 keys are already in it. Switch the ignition off and then on, so we're gonna switch it off. On again, make sure the engine is off, okay. Garbage truck coming, oh, very loud. Okay, we're good to go. Succeed, we're running again. Do you want to learn the next key? Yes. That is our code. Say okay, yes. Something's happening. Something's happening on the dash. All the lights went crazy. All right, so